How do you see the world? For more than 200 years, we've left our marks on the American landscape. Our amazing inventions, our superhighways, our monuments and buildings, and our trash. Deffenbaugh Industries has been working with cities in the Kansas City metro area since 1957 to create responsible waste solutions and to improve the way we as Americans treat our planet. Our Midwestern communities have worked to become better stewards of the earth, but by nature, we remain a society of accumulators and discarders. Although we recycle more reusable materials than ever before, we produce, use, and discard more solid waste than at any time in the history of mankind. It is estimated that every home in America generates more than 7.5 pounds of trash every day. That's more than 22 million tons of trash each year. Enough to fill a line of garbage trucks long enough to wrap around the earth more than 20 times. Deffenbaugh Industries, the Kansas City area's largest and most experienced waste hauler and landfill manager, is committed to reducing the local waste stream by extensive reclamation of reusable products, by maintaining environmentally sound landfill practices, and by providing factual information about our community's trash generation and disposal practices. At Deffenbaugh Industries, the commitment starts here, at the company's 60,000 square foot, round-the-clock recycling material recovery facility, where mountains of newspapers, magazines, junk mail, phone books, plastic, aluminum, and cardboard packaging are diverted from the daily waste stream. Every year, more than 100,000 tons of useful materials, aluminum, plastic, paper, and cardboard, are sorted and bundled for reuse in everything from book covers to floor tiles to garden hoses. Did you know that recycling one 3-foot stack of paper alone saves one whole tree? Or that recycling 1 ton of useful plastic saves even more space in the landfill? Deffenbaugh Industries, as part of an innovative community partnership with Ripple Glass, is reducing the local waste stream by annually recycling hundreds of tons of glass bottles and jars. All that glass is processed and used to make fiberglass insulation that will help reduce energy costs in thousands of homes and businesses across the country.
What are good ways to spread recycling?
Deffenbaugh also is helping school children across the metro area learn good recycling habits. As part of its One Earth, One Chance program, Deffenbaugh Industries furnishes educational materials and recycling bins and provides hauling services to hundreds of schools in more than a dozen school districts in Kansas, Missouri, and Nebraska. Deffenbaugh's goal is to see Kansas City area residents reduce household trash and recycle more of everything that remains. A goal that can be met in the next few years, and one that will benefit our environment and add to everyone's quality of life. Waste that cannot be reduced, saved, or recycled is sent to Deffenbaugh's environmentally sound Johnson County Landfill. On nearly 1,000 carefully managed acres in Shawnee, Kansas, Deffenbaugh Industries owns and operates the largest, safest Subtitle D landfill in the region. Up to 800 truckloads of trash roll in every day from homes and businesses throughout the region. Here, in a secure bedrock formation, Deffenbaugh's specialized equipment and crews contain and manage 5,500 tons of solid waste every day, 365 days a year. Responsible, reliable waste solutions like Deffenbaugh Industries' Johnson County Landfill are carefully designed to protect the air and groundwater. The designated trash containment areas in Deffenbaugh's 1,000-acre Johnson County Landfill are called cells. The containment cells are carved out of largely watertight limestone formations and are approximately 250 feet deep. A heavily compacted clay liner is laid over the bedrock at the bottom of each cell to prevent any liquids from reaching underground water sources. As an added environmental precaution, collection pipes are installed to drain off and collect any fluids that might filter to the bottom of the cell. Protective, moisture-impervious liners are applied to the entire slope of the cell. As the sides or faces of the cell become active and begin receiving trash, 55-ton compactors roll all day and all night to compress each delivery of waste material in order to maximize use of space and minimize infiltration from rainwater. Each day, the active area of the landfill cell is covered with 6 to 12 inches of dense soil and shale, which slows and contains the formation of odors. Once the cell is full, which now takes only about 2 years, a thick clay cap covered with soil and vegetation is added to prevent erosion. Equipment is put in place to continually monitor groundwater and methane gas levels in the now inactive cell. Greenhouse gas buildup is a natural occurrence produced from the decomposition of solid waste. Deffenbaugh Industries not only captures the gas byproducts, it puts them to work to create useful energy. A series of special pipes are embedded in the inactive cells to collect the gas. The methane is extracted from the natural gas at a facility on site, fed into a nearby pipeline, and used as fuel to heat 5,000 homes daily. By responsibly recycling more than 100,000 tons of reusable material each year, residents of the Kansas City metro area and Deffenbaugh Industries are making a difference. With an ongoing commitment to environmentally sound trash disposal practices and education programs designed to reduce the daily waste stream, Deffenbaugh Industries and our local communities are extending vital resources while helping to make all of our lives safer and healthier for generations to come.